Rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss the biochemistry of myoglobin. So what is myoglobin? Myoglobin is an iron and oxygen binding protein found in the muscle tissue of the vertebrates. Myoglobin is an iron and oxygen binding protein found in the muscle tissue of the vertebrates in general and in almost all mammals. It is related to hemoglobin, which is the iron and oxygen binding protein in blood. Especially in the red blood cell, myoglobin is only found in the bloodstream after muscle injury. It is an abnormal binding and can be diagnostically relevant when found in blood. Myoglobin is the primary oxygen carrying pigment of the muscle tissue. High concentration of myoglobin in muscle cell allow organisms to hold their breath for the longer period of time. Diving mammals such as whales and seals have muscle with particularly high abundance of myoglobin. Myoglobin is found in type 1 muscle, type 2A and type 2B. But most texts consider myoglobin not to be found in smooth muscle. Myoglobin was first protein to have its three-dimensional structure revealed by X-ray crystallography. This achievement was reported in 1958 by John Kendrew. An associate for this discovery, John Kendrew, shared the 1962 Nobel Prize in Chemistry with Max Ferrers. Despite being one of the most studied protein in biology, its physiological function is not yet conclusively established. Mice genetically engineered to lack myoglobin are visible, but showed a 30% reduction in volume of blood being pumped by the heart during a contraction. They adapted to this deficiency through natural reaction to inadequate oxygen supply, hypoxia, and a winding of bloodstream vasodilation. In human, myoglobin is encoded by the myoglobin gene. Myoglobin belongs to the globin superfamily of protein, and as with the other globin, consists of 8 alpha helix connected by loops. Hemoglobin contains 154 amino acid. Myoglobin contains a propyrin ring with an iron at its center. A proximal histidine group, histidine 94, is attached directly to iron, and a distal histidine group, histidine 65, hover near the opposite face. The distal imidazole is not bounded to the iron but is available to interact with the substrate oxygen O2. This interaction encourages the binding of O2 but not carbon monoxide, which still bind about 240 more strongly than oxygen. The binding of O2 causes substantial structure change at the Fe center, which shrink in radius and moves into the center of N4 pocket. O2 binding induces spin pairing. The 5-coordinate ferrous deoxy form is high spin and a 6-coordinate oxy form is low spin. And diamagnetic synthetic analog, many models of myoglobin have been synthesized. As a part of broad interest in transition metal deoxygen complex, a well-known example is the Fickett-Fentz porphyrin, which consists of the ferrous complex of sterically bulky derivatives of tetraphenylfuran. In the presence of imidazole ligand, this ferrous complex reversible bind O2. The O2 substrate adopt a band geometry, occupying the 6th position of the iron center. A key property of this model is the slow formation of microdimer, which is an active dipheric state. In nature, such deactivation pathway are suppressed by protein matrix that prevent close approach of the Fe porphyrin assemblage. Thank you, dear ladies and gentlemen, for giving time to me. Please subscribe and share with others if you like, and drop your suggestion in comments. Please.